Poland deploys fighter jets after Russian airstrikes in Ukraine. The Russian attack early Sunday killed at least 4 people in the Lyiv region near the Polish border, Ukrainian officials said. Poland said it rapidly mobilized military aircraft early Sunday to secure its airspace after Russia launched airstrikes on Ukraine's Lviv region near the Polish border. Polish and Allied aircraft are intensively operating in our airspace, while ground-based air defense and radar reconnaissance systems have reached the highest state of readiness, said the operational command of the Polish armed forces. Ukrainian officials said the Russian strikes killed at least 4 people in the Lyiv region and 1 person in the southeastern city of Zaporizhia. The mayor of Lviv said public transport routes were not operating due to a massive enemy attack, which had also caused a partial electricity outage in the region. Russia targeted residential areas with drones and aerial bombs. Across all affected areas, residential buildings and critical infrastructure were damaged, Ukraine's Prime Minister Yulia Svyridenko said on X. It was just the latest instance of Poland scrambling fighter planes to protect its airspace amid Moscow's attacks on Ukraine. In early September, Poland shot down Russian drones that forced the closure of the Warsaw airport as Russian President Vladimir Putin appeared to be testing NATO's defense capabilities. Since then, eastern flank members of NATO have been on high alert. Denmark had to close its airspace last week after drone activity was detected around Skrydstrup air base. Sunday's Russian bombings on Ukraine came a day after Moscow launched a drone attack on a railway station in northeastern Ukraine that struck a passenger train, leaving 1 person dead and dozens injured. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky called it a savage Russian drone strike in a post on X. EU Foreign Policy Chief Kodja Kulis pledged to keep up support for Kiev in its efforts to defend the country against Putin's invasion. Russia is masking its failed summer offensive with terror attacks on Ukrainian civilians and infrastructure, Kulis said Sunday on X. We keep supporting Ukraine as long as needed, finalizing the next sanctions package, ensuring financing, providing weapons. Russia will not stop until forced to, she said.